Sunday, October the 6th, 11:19 in the morning. I'm at Hugh Ramsey Nature Park. Look at that muddy area there. I'll go through here. Gotta be careful with the nopales, prickly pear cactus. Don't break any of these branches either. So I hear music on. Hopefully the microphone doesn't pick it up. Because I now have to mute this. Alright, music passing by, so there's probably somebody walking and has the music blaring. Oh, super humid now. Here, I'm gonna turn left, passing the bridge. So you can see it's a lot of water. And it trickles down, goes under the bridge, and ends right there. See, you can't go any further because it's elevated. It's a little bit higher over there. And then the water, this water is going down. That's where that's coming from. Okay, gotta watch my step here. Where did I see him? It's a little frog or probably a toad. See him right there. He's so small. Okay, let's be careful here. See, this sucker has a lot of water now. Wish it stayed like that. Always be a nice watering hole for the wildlife. So that's where this water was flowing from. See how it's got so much water. Look what I spotted. Let me see if I can. Sorry, I got a mosquito. It's a blue heron. Just perched right there. It's a lot of mosquitoes. Not sure why they have water hoses here if it's been raining like crazy. Here, as soon as I turn left, there should be a chile piquin or chile del monte plant. The flower and some granjeno, hackberry. Right around here somewhere is a chile. The birds probably ate it. You can still see the peppers, the chile piquin or chile del monte. I'm gonna cut the video. I wish some of those were red so that way you could see. I'm gonna cut the video here.